What's up people, this is my 12-year-old son, Lanakila. He's getting ready for his talent quest on Monday night and he reckons he hasn't got the song quite sussed, but I reckon it's pretty good. So here's him singing Because of Who You Are.
You are, I give glory. Because of who you are, I give you praise. Because of who you are, I will lift my voice to sing, Lord, I worship you. Because of who you are, Jehovah Jireh, my provider, Jehovah Nissi, Lord, you reign in victory, Jehovah Shalom, you're my Prince of Peace. Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Because of who you are, I give you glory. Because of who you are, I give you praise. Because of who you are, I will lift my voice and say, Lord, I worship you because of who you are. Lord, Jehovah Jireh, my provider, Jehovah Nissi, Lord, you reign in victory, Jehovah Shalom,